Retro Myrtle Beach Guy, and we're at Chili Fest. It's literally about to start. Just kind of wandering around checking out the grounds.
South Carolina. We're excited to start off the 55th Annual World Championship Chili Cook-Off presented by Bush's, the chili bean of champions. Make sure to make your way through all of our fabulous vendors. We have food trucks. We have sponsors here like El Yucateca. You can try their fabulous hot sauces. The beer tents in the middle where you can also buy your tasting tickets to try the World Champion Chili that you'll have throughout the weekend. We'll have live music, we're going to have a magic show, and a dance team all just today, the start of a full weekend of family fun for everyone. If you haven't had a chance to sit in the Bush's chair, you are truly missing out on an opportunity to sit upon the throne of beandom.
So yeah, the chili cook-offs going all weekend. Tomorrow, 2 to 4, will be Brian Baumgartner's special appearance. So we're definitely going to try to get back for that. In the meantime, so you may be asking, Retro, what the heck are you doing at this modern resort? So yeah, that's level 6. Do you think I wore a bowling shirt for no reason today? But more than just that, a little thing about this modern resort. Yeah, that's the bowling alley, like 40 years ago, 50 years ago, or whatever. Place is actually a little bit older than you'd think. And it's located right next to the Polynesian Beach and Golf Resort. Yeah, the bones of which, again, are much older than you'd think. Most people, they don't have any clue that there's a bowling alley in there. I really didn't know until fairly recently. So, pretty neat little discovery, huh? And cheap too. It's only like 12 bucks a game.
Later that night.
Horst Gasthaus has been here for like 30 some years. I used to come here every single summer. This is my last spot before we go home from vacation in Myrtle Beach. It's crazy. Our waitress, I've had that waitress every year since I was like 5. And Horst the namesake of the restaurant, is no longer here. He does come in, I think they said Saturday nights. He'll work for a little while. But, yeah, man, same old feel. What's up, guys?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Hey, Prost!
That's my beer.
Yeah. It is.